count my masterpieces on my side too. Should be pretty easy. Just one button. It's just a one button push. And where the hell is that carp station? There's
Hello,
one.
chat.
All right.
It's Nickbush. He's gonna show
Hey,
you. Did I say show? He's gonna school you in patching.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Let me get Nick's music on here. And boom.
Dude, I'm like nervous.
What are you nervous about, baby?
I had no idea. Hey, Fable. I'm mischievous. Still have not gotten one. Alright. Okay, I really don't like this board. It's like there's a lot of blockers and too many waffles to deal with it. Well, I should probably also explain what waffles are. They are the pieces that are like the 3-way or the 4-way. Because they kind of look like waffles. Alright, let's go, Gherkins. Friendly little patch battle. And finally, first one. They are yummy breakfast foods as well. I do agree.
Sorry, I'm doing all the things that I would have normally done on a break.
Yeah, it's fine. We're good.
I knew that you'd be able to handle it. You're an old pro.
Yeah, settling in, just getting used to all these hedgehogs around. I don't usually have these on stream, but it's fine. Put that there. Ooh, this might be a little too much waffle on waffle because... Never mind, I take it back. And also, waffle on waffle means using waffles instead of grommets to do stuff to complete the board.
I've seen that movie, Waffles and Grommet.
Yeah. And that is what we call a sacrifice, because we had an odd board, which is where if you have a clearable board, but the number of, if you add up the number of, hold on a sec, you add up the number of grommets in 3-ways, like this one, there's one grommet left. Then it's if it's odd, then it's an odd board, and you need to do a sacrifice, which is turning to get a flawless, which is just turning a grommet into a straight, like this. Alright, let's see here. I can probably do this here. I kind of want an elbow there. Alright, there we go. Easy enough sack. There we go. Getting a lot of odd boards. I'm kind of annoyed at that, but it's fine. Alright, let's see here. I'll do that one. I kind of want to, yeah, do that. Okay, I need a straight in here. Found it. There we go. Alright. Oh. Alright, freaking graphics glitch. Love to see that. Let's see here. Oop, that doesn't go there.
Chat, if you're not looking at your stream right now, you should be, because this is amazing.
Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see here. There we go. That's better. Found it. All right. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay. Nah, I'm not gonna. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about flawless this one. This is annoying. Alright, it's a little hard to read chat, but I'll try my best.
Gerbo can beat a gunning bot. Can you beat a patching bot?
Depends on how what level it's at. I can't beat like the insta clears though. Alright, that's 10. Let's go 10. At least as far as I've counted so far.
DN me in game if you're using a patch bot, and we'll get you in and we'll do a comparison, and then I'll get you banned.
You weren't supposed to say that part out loud. Yes, there we go. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, this one is kind of annoying, but there we go. Fixed it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Now so for that one, so this one I needed the elbow in the corner. Okay, there we go. Found it. There we go. This next is I'm not surprised all I can get is fine. Yeah, it's because the botters have floundered up the scoring curve, so. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick sacrifice just to see if I can get that. Okay, there we go. The literal goat. Thank you. Bots are apparently still a thing. I haven't really seen them I haven't really seen patching bots lately. At least not the obvious ones that don't get banned. Mouse, what are you doing? Mouse. Okay. I'm not trying for a flawless there. Sorry, Ed. Not doing that. Anyway. Alright. Also, yay. Also, by the way, go Maple Leafs. I don't want to face the Bruins again. They're going to be really pissed at us after last year. Yeah, this isn't... Alright, that board was kind of annoying, even though it was even. Like, I don't think I had enough straights. I don't even remember. I've got, like, a goldfish memory when it comes to... patching. Let's see here. Yeah, we're not doing that. Local drink and turning up. Let's go. That counts as my entry. But shh, nobody tell them that. Okay, I kind of like this board, but why did I move the three-way? Jeez, only 15. I'm kind of disappointed in myself, but you know, it's okay. First minute jitters. Alright, so yes, let's see here, yeah. All right, that was an odd board. That's an annoying one. That's okay. I've got the. I have the. I'm keeping track on my side. Just wanted to be sure. All right. Okay. There we go. How the heck did that work? Jazz has me as Kichi. Hey, Brittany, let's go.
Crap. Sorry.
All right. Okay, this one feels really slow. I would not be surprised if I lost the patch off this round. There we go. I am the new Kichi, yes. But that must mean you're the new Nickbush.
Sweet. Kichi, now that you're the new Nickbush, can you win this comp? Would love that.
There we go. Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna start taking drinks in between clears. Yeah, okay, yep.
Thank you.
$40 donation from Brittany. Thank you, Brittany.
Okay, I kind of screwed up my counter a little bit, which is just... Honestly, it's just calculator. But... we're back.
No spin. Yeah. Brittany's already donated today.
No spin, let's go. Alright, too many... Alright, this is too many,
Where are we at? Oh. Okay.
Yeah, too many...
Tomarillo.
Tomatillo?
No, tomarillo. It's different.
Oh, an R instead of a T.
Yeah.
Man, I am learning all sorts of new fruits. Stupid odd board. Ship. Okay, let's see here. There you go. That makes 20, and it's a nice long one, so I could take a nice big drink. There we go. It's another sub 3. So sub 3 means getting the flawless in less than the amount of time it takes for the timer to clear 3 squares. Okay.
Nick, is that terminology that you came up with?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep,
oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, yeah. I wanted that flawless. So
oh my
I wanted that flawless.
That right there, that makes the average person quit right there. Built different.
Okay, there we go. There's our easy sacrifice. That makes 23, yay. Okay. I don't know if I'm using too many, I didn't know if I was using too many, straights, but... Okay. It was fine, because the bottom right was, like, pretty wide open. Which is good. It's good, because I had a lot of waffles there.
Little Wing says Nickbush is a robot for sure. He prefers Android because he's a robot, but he's hot too.
Oh, okay, we're good. That is a double tap. That's what I call a double tap when I could just do the sacrifice instantly with 2 taps of the space bar. Well, I use the space bar. I know that the default setting is for like the enter key, but it's easier for me.
Wait, hold on, Nick. You just left half the board, so your brain just processed that there were too many outs, and you were like, nah, that ain't gonna be helpful.
It's more like I did not feel like doing that board. Now this one I did feel like.
Amazing.
Alright, so...
Chat, give this man your money right now. You've never seen anything like it, unless you've tuned into one of his other streams.
Purple, let's go. Okay. Dude, the waffle on waffle, also congrats, Gherkins. The waffle on waffle is maximized here. Dude, oh man. Almost lost the sub 2.5 due to bad mousing. Also, I am gonna...
Wow.
Odd board. I'm annoyed with this new board. I don't like it. Anyway, oh boy, I'm a little annoyed with this board. Yeah, that was odd anyway. I didn't like it. Waffle, flawless masterpiece. Ooh, okay. There we go. Ooh, almost a sub 2 there. That looked like 2.1 or 2.2. Right. Oh, this board is... So this board is not being very kind to me because I had to do a lot of swapping. And the best thing you do is, like, not... Swapping takes up most of your time, so you want to try to keep the pieces where... Want to try to minimize swapping as much as possible. You also want to try to minimize misclicks as much as possible. Oh, okay, there we go. Found the sacrifice. Didn't even realize it was odd, but we will take that.
I'm like...
There are way too many.
It's like seeing a magician that's like doing the same magic trick over and over, and like no matter how many times you watch, you can't figure out how it's done. That was an annoying. It's incredible. It's confusing. Yeah.
Like a lot of it is just like recognizing patterns.
Yes, pattern recognizing brain.
Yay, got it. I think that was like 1 frame short of sub. 1 frame, or sub 3 by 1 frame. I don't like this board. I'm not trying this board. I don't like it. Like, top is just way too many blockers. And another blockers and too many waffles ruin it again, so. There we go. Let's go. Alright, so this might be a little too much waffle on waffle because we got a lot of... Okay, yep. Lot of grommets, so you gotta limit waffle on waffle when you have a lot of grommets if you're going for flawless masterpieces.
Merch next year is it's gonna look like Waffle House, but it's gonna say flawless masterpiece.
I
Thoughts?
love it. Yeah, I think that was too much waffle on waffle because two wasted grommets. Oh, but okay, I defy this board to have too much waffle on waffle. Holy crap! Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that was easy. Never mind. Waffles for St. Jude, a waffle breakfast.
Yes. This is something that happens in music when I listen to great music. It's the same thing happening right here. When you watch someone that's just excellent at something that you already do, it makes you want to quit and practice at the same time.
That was annoying. Go Panthers, let's go. I very much agree with Brittany. Nah, dang. That was annoying. Alright, over here. This one looks promising. Ooh, nice. Sub 2.5 and wow, that was... There we go. Alright. But double click those grommets a bit too much, but we're good. Minimal time loss. I am kinda... I was gonna say, I'm kinda tempting fate by using up all the straights early, but in this case, it paid off. Dude! Annoying. Okay, I screwed up that board pretty bad. Dude, I still won that round, though. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. Because that was odd, and I knew I could use a straight in there. All right. Okay. There we go. Like that one. And that's 40 now, according to my counter. Ooh, let's. Okay. There we go. How did that work? Holy crap. Mm-hmm. There we
Nick,
go.
I feel like if we found the right game for you, you'd be famous.
Yeah.
Like, seriously.
Like a
I know
lot
you speedrun
of
other
this.
Games.
Yeah, I've been speed running Celeste lately.
Yeah.
Like I'm going for the any percent grind. Heck yeah, good one. Currently have a 4710 in any percent. Been grinding the heck out of individual levels these past. Alright, I also screw the top of this board. But yeah, Celeste is a 2D retro speed platformer. And it's a very popular speed game. So,
I feel like for something to be a popular speedrunning game, it just runs really smoothly. It just feels buttery.
Yeah, like it's actually kind of built for speedrunning, I believe. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Nice.
Fixed it. Yes. All right. Also, yay. Still scoreless. Just means that the... Okay, oh yeah, it has to go there. Okay. Just means that the Bruins haven't scored. I'm sorry, Ham, but I don't want to face the Bruins again. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm okay with Waffle on Waffle here because I do not have a lot of grommets, so... Oh, okay. Oh, crap. Okay, fix it.
Okay,
I didn't realize that was
they've announced the puzzle comp for the Octo in 30 minutes.
Let's go.
Bilging, sailing, rigging, navigating, gunning, carpentry, and patching.
Let's go. I'm probably not going to take part in it because don't feel like it. Also, it's not for top ink, so I want to give others a chance to win it.
Yeah, you're literally too good for the competition. Sorry, bro.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, okay. Fixed it. Let's go. Yay, go Leafs, go. Just gotta tell from someone saying go Leafs, go. I agree with them. Okay, I should not... Okay, so I should not have moved that one. Okay, I was gonna say I should not have moved the grommet that was here earlier, because that's the only piece that could fit there, but that board was annoying anyway. And yes, that person's name is Clover West. So let's give a shout out to Clover West.
Shout out Clover West.
Why is this board? Okay, you and me the squishy. Okay, Feeble. See here. Okay, where is it? Fix it. Yay, 49. Yay, squishy. I actually think I think I used to have a... I don't know if I used to have an Octolon cerulean named Squishy or if I still have it. Cause let's... And yay, that's the big 5-0. Let's go. Don't think I'm gonna hit 100, but...
Nick, did you let your family know about this?
Yes, I told my mom. I forgot to tell her that when it was coming on. That's 51, by the way. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, she should
Hello?
know. She should be very proud.
Yeah. Holy barnacles, this board was dog. This was dog cannon.
Dog cannon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not drunk enough to accidentally let slip a swear.
Notice he said drunk enough, chat.
Mm-hmm. Mostly because I keep forgetting to drink. Because I'm like so locked in. And yes, but yes. There we go, 53. Taking a drink after every flawless master, after every clear now, because I need to get caught up.
Yeah, you got 20 minutes.
Nah. Oh, I just realized how I can flawless that. Rotate the 3 ways and do the sack. I'm blaming that one on my drink, on my water. It made me feel funny things. Yeah, that's an annoying one, but I'm not even looking for it. I don't think I'm gonna hit the 100 unless I get like really fast flawlesses. Is this too much waffle and waffle? Survey says no.
Exactly, Devil Knee. It's the stream sniper.
It is a stream. It is indeed.
They're slowing you down. They're messing up your game.
They're influencing RNG in an unsavory way. Yeah, that board was annoying. I don't like it. Oh, okay, this works good because I can put the... grommet exactly where it needs to go. That's about all I like about that lovely board. Yeah, this board's kind of annoying, but... okay. Yeah, that... Oh, that was odd anyway. Bit of sour grapes. That was odd. Anyway. Oh, God. Again, too many waffles and too many blockers. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, alright, this is for the children. Alright, yeah, alright, I tried.
Yes, you did.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, I do have like a lot of straights, but they are not in good positions, so I'm just gonna clear as much as I can. Alright, also good game. GG, Gherkins. Nice to see another fellow legitimate patcher. I have to qualify that. Wow, that's just now 55. Okay, wow.
Shots fired from Nickbush.
Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, there we go. Good game. Finally won some LPs. Heck yeah. You're doing really good.
This happened during Geo's hour, too. Y'all, I know you're entranced by the puzzling. Take a moment. Go to the donate link. Donate!
Dude, way too many waffles. Way too many waffles. I didn't like that one.
I need the kitty to stay out because he likes to do this thing to the auto litter box where he gets on the step and looks inside to see what's going on, but that stops it. So it's like it moves, he hears it, he steps, it stops, he goes away, it starts again, he hears it, he goes, he steps. It's like, stop! The number on, yep, that's how many boards Nick has finished, even though that's not true because I'm not keeping up with it. He is, because he can keep up with it on top of literally doing this. Unbelievable.
Yeah. I mean, it's literally just Alt-Tab, Enter, Alt-Tab. It's like muscle memory at this point, and it's now 57, by the way, for the record. So for my hour of puzzling, I will donate $1. Oh, 57. Okay, $1 per flawless masterpiece. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm like getting a trance right now. Okay, yeah, whatever. $1 per flawless masterpiece, $10 per incredible, and $20 per every board that I run out of time on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's. Yeah, I had a feeling that was too much waffle and waffle there. I'm at 59 now. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm not finishing this one. Annoying. Also, I think I ran out of, like, really ran out of
$50 from Grave. Thank you. Thank you, Grave.
Let's go, Grave.
Yeah. Woohoo.
All right, I'm just gonna sack this because I want a new board. I don't like this board.
Grave says, get it going again.
Found it. Yay. 60. That was for the children. Totally not something I would do in a normal... Totally not something I would do in a normal patch session to try to just flawless masterpiece everything I can.
Kichi with the $10.
Let's go, Kichi.
Thank you, Kichi. Also, stop donating. You have done quite enough, my friend.
I think she just wants another spin.
No spins for Kichi.
Also, that was odd, and I think I figured out how to do the sacrifice, so... Great job. I kind of choked another flawless there.
I don't think anyone would have ever been able to call you out on it. I truly don't.
Oh, but oh, hello. Dude, where are my freaking elbows, man? All right, let's go. There we go. Just swapping out the elbow for the straight, or rather the straight for the elbow. Because I needed the elbow to complete the flawless, but I only had a straight, so... There we go, 62. Okay, 62, I think. Kinda... Don't know if I have enough... Oh, yeah, I don't know if I have enough... Yeah, I do. Enough ability to get the flawless, I guess. I don't even remember what I was trying to say, but yeah. And I got lost in a trance because I was like trying to like calculate everything in my brain, so. Alright, that's odd. Go to a graveyard, stupid game. Can I say hell on here?
Yes, hell, ass, and damn. Those are universal curse words that are fine.
Yeah, because I have not listened to the radio in like several years. Easy, flawless. I have not listened to the radio in like a long time. At least not radio that's regulated by the FCC. But I'm pretty sure that those are the words that I can hear.
Yes, that's correct.
All right, let's go.
Nick, I have a neurodiversity question for you.
Sure.
So, you know, I'm extremely ADHD. People talk about, like, do you hear yourself talk in your brain? So for me, that's no.
Sometimes it's a bit hard to quantify that, really. But I'm autistic, autistic, other than I mean, I'm ADD, but I'm not technically ADHD, but it's like I think it's like without the H, because that. So the ADD I was actually diagnosed with as a kid, but and I think my mom wanted them to check me for autism, but I don't know. It's like it was the 90s. I misclicked. Holy crap. Also, yeah, anyway. But yeah, I was diagnosed with ADD in the 90s, so I'm kind of this was back before they knew as much as they did or as much as they do now about autism. So,
Right.
yeah.
But yeah, I was just generally wondering, like, how do you, when you're thinking about something, like, so for me, I feel like I have like 5 to 7 whisper conversations going on in my head at any time.
Because you have ADHD, right?
Yeah,
It's
and
maybe.
also just so you know, ADD and ADHD since the 90s has been classified as the same. They're one and the same. It's just
Gotcha.
some present their symptoms by showing hyperactivity.
Right, gotcha. Because I don't really show a lot of hyperactivity, but I'm like, I'm more of a chill person. Like, unless something really pisses me off. But yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Core, can you conjure an apple in your mind? I can conjure an apple with my mind.
Apple. Okay, yeah, that should be a 4-way, not a 3-way. Apple does sound good right now, but I kind of honestly, after hearing the talk about fruits earlier, I kind of want some pomegranates. They are like really very labor intensive, but they are delicious. Like they're like super delicious, and it's a shame that like pomegranate season is like in like the winter. Oh, that should be okay. Yeah, I think I accidentally multiplied by 2, but we're good. Uh-oh. But yeah. All right, where was I? But yeah, pomegranates are good.
Heck yeah.
Like I have seen also that makes 69, nice. But yes, I have had like pomegranate arils is what they call like the individual like fruits in the individual edible material of the pomegranates. It's like a lot less labor intensive.
Yeah.
They're really good. There we go.
I'm sure that they will genetically modify pomegranates to become easier to eat in the future.
Yeah, I think they've done that with like oranges or like mandarin oranges at least, right?
Yeah.
Which is really good because I love oranges. Also, but you know what? I don't love this board because it's odd. I want a waffle. I would love a waffle with strawberry jam on it because it was or butter, strawberry jam. Syrup's okay. Like,
Sounds amazing.
yeah, so close to 15.5K. Also, a bit of a live count update. We're at 71.
Thank you, sir.
Mouse, please. I know there's a cat nearby, but don't be scared to do your function. Alright, ease. Oh! Crap. Misclicked. I'm counting that anyway because I'm counting that anyway because I knew there was going to be an instance where I messed up a flawless, but You know, I count that. I count that as a flawless because in theory it was, so. Okay, that's where. Yeah, we are gonna need a lot of waffle and waffle if my mouse will cooperate again.
Miles, watch your uncle play some patching.
Uh-oh.
Look.
Yeah, odd board. Not odd board, even board, but I just don't feel like finishing that. Alright, there we go, 73. I miss Waffle House. I think the only time I've been to a Waffle House is in, like, our capital city. I don't think we have a Waffle House in my town. But I hear it's really good. Alright, that board sucked. Canadian maple syrup and ice cream. Yes, that is good. I don't know if I've ever had like Canadian maple syrup because I think like the only real maple syrup I've had is from Vermont because I live in the US. All right, yay, 74. Mario Brothers music in the background. Heck yeah. Let's go. I also speedrun Mario 64. Speaking of, I've been on my Celeste arc, but hold on. But this summer I do plan on going back. What is this mouse doing? Oh my god, stupid thing. Anyway. But yeah, I do like my main speed game is prior to this year was Mario 64. I'm probably gonna I'm hoping to join a like 70-star tournament. I'm hoping to join 70-star tournament this summer. So I'm gonna have to like really grind that. But yeah. Alright, let's see here.
I sent the link to the stream to Cleaver and I said, if you have any moment to jump in today, you need to watch this hour. Nickbush is insane. He said, wow, he is. I will tune in some more shortly.
Heck yeah, let's go. Hi, Cleaver.
He the man.
Found it, yay. Also, wow, 77. Waffle, waffle, waffle. Perfect use of waffles and noodles. Like, I don't really use the... Like, technically, the straights and the elbows are noodle pieces, but I don't use that much because waffles are what makes the world go round. Yay, 78. Oop.
Guys, you think I'm kidding. I'm literally... Sometime in the next month, I am doing a Photoshop of, instead of Waffle House, it's going to say Flawless Masterpiece. It's going to go straight across the chest. I'm going to set Nick up with a whole website where all the money can go to him via PayPal, and his fan club can buy the shirts, including myself.
There you go. Now that's 79. I'd accidentally double-tapped the enter key on calculator earlier. But it's okay. I knew I would get 79. Alright.
I think this is the last one, Nick, my boy.
80. Alright, that's 80.
Woo!
Round it out with 80. Hi, Clover West 1942. Let's go.
All right. Thank you so much, Nick. If you don't already know, Nick does this kind of crap like easily on a weekly basis, so go check out his Twitch. And we're gonna get ready for the next hour. See you later, chat. Bye.
Let's go.